Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video, here I am going to show you that how to create a Gmail account in your device. And by using this method, you can create a Gmail account within few clicks. And without wasting our time now, let's move to the video. And at first you need to open your Gmail in your device. And after that you can see a new interface of our Gmail, and in the below of this our Gmail you can see option got it, and just tap this got it option from here. And after that you can see a option add email address, and you want to just tap this add email address option from here. And after selecting this you will move to a next interface, and in this next interface you can see more of the option like this Google, Outlook, Yahoo and etc. And you want to just select this Google option from here. And after that you can see a new interface, and you can see sign in process, and in the below of this sign in process you can see option create account, and just tap this create account option from here. And by selecting this create account you can see two of the option like this for myself and to manage my business. And if you are using this Gmail for your business, you can tap this to manage my business, or otherwise you can select for myself. And here I am selecting one of the first name from here as Mr. and in the below of the surname is XYZ. And after that just select this next option from here. And after that you can see our next option is our basic information about our birth date, and you can see enter your birth date and gender. And at first you need to type your date of birth from here. And after selecting your date of birth, in the below of this option you can see option gender, and just select this gender and select your gender. And here I am selected male, and in the below of this option you can see option next, and just tap this next option from here. And after selecting the next option you can see more of the two of the examples are showing here like this XYZ Mr. 8423. If you want to select this Gmail you can just tap this Gmail, or otherwise you can also create your own Gmail address in the below of the third option. And after that enter the Gmail which you have been considering. And after selecting one of the Gmail account just select this next option from here. And after that you can see create a strong password option, and enter the strong password you are looking for. And enter the strong password from here, and here I have been already written my password. And after that just select this next option from here. And after that you can see a add phone number, and in the below this option you can see two of the option like this skip or yes I am in. And if you want to skip this process you want to just select the skip option, or otherwise you want to just select this yes I am in option in the below. And after that you can see review your account info, and you can see your Gmail account and the name of this account. And after that just select this next option from here. And once again scroll down and just select this I agree option. And now you can see our Gmail account has been created successfully by using this method. And by using this method you can create a successful Gmail account by using these few methods. And without wasting our time, thanks for watching our video.